Tropical weather forecast here. This is our second update on now we call Hurricane Francine. I was made an update an hour ago. I said it has maximum sustained winds of 70 miles per hour due to a dent we see on visible satellite. We are now calling it 75 miles per hour. Let's go to the National Hurricane Center forecast. Here's the National Hurricane Center forecast. They call it 65 miles per hour and moving north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. This is as of the 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time advisory. They said it will make landfall on 1 p.m. Wednesday. The National Hurricane Center will become a hurricane soon, but we already think it's already became a hurricane. Let's go to the storm surge forecast. We can see that 5 to 10 feet of storm surge. This is life-threatening surge currently. And this storm is not a joke. 5 to 10 feet for possibly a Category 3 hurricane. That is a lot. And 4 to 7 feet in other places, and in New Orleans only 2 to 4 feet. Here's the key messages. Life-threatening storm surge, as we said, hurricane force winds, and heavy rainfall. If you want more information, go to hurricanes.gov. It's just something extra. Here's the rainfall forecast. You can see in the ocean 16 inches of rain. That's a lot. For the mainland, you'll maximum get only 6 inches. Here's the model forecast from the Euro and GFS. You can see it starting to form here. You can see it, look, starting to form. It becomes a hurricane on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it starts to intensify fast and makes landfall on Wednesday. That is for the Euro model. I'm at the GFS model, and here's the Euro model. You can see it starting to form. Becoming a hurricane on Wednesday, it says. It starts to head towards Louisiana, becoming a major hurricane. Makes landfall. Then disappears. That is all I have for today. Tropical weather forecasted out, and make sure to like and subscribe.